Good morning, guys. Tuesday morning in Mazatlan. It's a little foggy today, but it's nice. It's probably 19, 20 degrees. It's early. It's only 8:30. I just came back from my 5th consecutive walk over El Cerro. Ooh, it's getting easier, feeling stronger, so that's good. But what I have for you today is a video I made last night of Lupita making supper. And she talks about what it cost and what the same supper would cost in a restaurant. For those of you that are interested in costs, a couple of viewers have asked about restaurants. So we don't go out to eat much, because Lupita loves to cook, loves to bake. So usually it's only on a very special occasion. Oh, look who's here, Mouse. Hey, Mouse. So check this video out if you want to know what it costs to eat in a sort of a typical Mexican meal, chiles poblano, at home or in a restaurant. Here we go. Lupita cooking up a storm. Chiles, ¿qué es? Chiles.
Chile poblano.
Chile poblano. Showing up kind of dark here. Y
Frijoles.
frijoles, beans. ¿Y qué es su plan?
Hacer sopa verde y frijoles. Una sopa.
She's gonna have
Esta.
green macaroni.
Sopa con crema
Con crema
y chile, chile.
and chiles.
Nada más.
Real Mexican comida, ¿sí? Auténtico.
Sí. Comida mexicana.
Comida mexicana. Yeah. So Lupita's getting the macaroni ready.
Sí.
The beans are getting
Frijoles.
cooked.
Tortilla dorada.
She's got tortilla dorado, which are
Dorada.
dorada. Sorry, lo siento.
Dorada.
Dorada. They're crunchy, like tacos, or like ¿qué es sabritas? Doritos.
Dori.
Sí. Igualmente Doritos. And I'll show you the finished product here in a second. I was asking Lupita, Joe pregunta por Lupita, ¿cuánto cuesta por esta?
Esta comida sale 120.
120.
Sí, y es para 4 personas.
For 4 personas.
Sí.
So she says it's 120 pesos to feed 4 people. Pero en el restaurante, que es típico, es precio por una persona.
120 por una persona.
She says, yeah, $6 for one person in a restaurant, a local restaurant. That's the kind of meal you could expect to get. I'm really pleased. A lot of people watched the video about prices here, and some have asked me for prices about restaurants, but we really don't. Do we all know ir por el restaurante mucho, Lupita?
No.
No. I don't know if that's good or bad. But we have gone to some of the best restaurants in town. Anoche tú y yo ¿fuiste? ¿Es correcto? ¿Fuiste? Fuimos, tú y yo fuimos por El Presidio. Es muy bien, ¿sí? Yeah, there's some really classy restaurants in Mazatlan. El Presidio, you can probably Google that and look at their menu. It's world class. Like, I've never been anywhere any better. So, her macaroni here has chicken, pollo. Is macarón con pollo, sí?
No, con frijoles solamente.
Oh, sí, no, pollo?
No.
And somehow I thought there was pollo, but I guess not.
Cuando es pollo, pues sí. Muy bueno. Okay.
So, and she's getting queso out now, using her teeth. That's her dente.
Con mis dientes.
But that's a typical little plate. So that's 30 pesos for macaroni, refried beans, queso, cheese.
Así. Ya, finito.
Muy bonito. So 30 pesos. $1.50 a plate. Maybe that gives you an idea what happens here. Bien?
Sí.
Gracias, Lupita,
Nada,
por su ayuda.
De nada, doña.
Te amo mucho.
Te amo mucho.
Lively. Our baby Lively. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.